Hello my dear students, welcome back in today's session. I am your Akansha Miss and today we will complete remaining topic of your workbook. Okay, 2.4 story time. Unity is a strength. So my dear students, in our previous session till question number 7 we have completed, right? So today we will see question number 8. So what has given here? Read the following sentences. Replace the colored word with new words to form a new sentence. Right? One has been done for you. See here, you have to change the colored word and you have to exchange them with the words which has given in the bracket. See here, this is the example. See here, first example. The old man was worried, right? So here exchange the word with a young woman and worried exchange with happy, okay, and make a sentence. The young woman was happy. What was the sentence before? The old man was worried. And now exchanging words, the sentence became the young woman was happy. Now come to the page number 43. See here. Question number 2. He took the bundle and tried to break it. Now you have to change this color word with the given word in the bracket. Okay. In the place of he, you use she. Then in the place of bundle, you use word book. Okay. In the place of break, use read. Okay, and the sentence will become she took the book and tried to read it. Understand, dear student? Same like that way we have to change all this colored word. Okay, now see the third example, means third question. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. Now we have to exchange his word with the word farmer, goats and cottage. So let's see which sentence will it become. Now new sentence is here. Just read it. An old farmer lived with his 4 goats in a cottage. Understand, dear students? Now let's see next question. This time the brothers learn a lesson. Okay, now you have to change brothers and lesson, these two words, with the children and poem. And read the new sentence. This time the children learn a poem. Understand? Now see the last question. He gave them small sticks. Now you have to exchange he and small sticks, these two words, with the doctor 4 apples. Okay? Okay. Now read the new sentence. The doctor gave them 4 sticks. Oh, I forgot to underline. Which word you exchange now? You should underline it. Okay? Okay, dear students. Now see the next question. Question number 9. Write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. See here, at the center, word has given. We have to tell about the words. We have to tell about it. Okay? उसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताना है. So man कैसा है? मतलब old man है, या फिर आप लिख सकते हो young man, greedy man, then lazy man or smart man. Okay, you can write careless man. Understand? Hardworking man. Like this word you have to write about the man. Okay, see here. Old man, young man, lazy man, greedy man, Smart man. So you have to tell about the man. So we are talking about the man. How is the man? Okay. Now here next word is tree. Tree. How is the tree? Big tree. Tree कैसा है? बड़ा है. Okay. Leafy tree. उस पे बहुत पत्ते हैं. Okay. We can describing about the tree. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? ट्री के बारे में. Tall tree मतलब ट्री कैसा है? ऊंचा है. Small tree या फिर छोटा है. Green tree या फिर ट्री कैसा है? ग्रीन है. Same like that when I explain about the man. Young man कैसा है? man जवान है. right? Lazy आलसी है. right? Greedy है. greedy मतलब लालची है. Smart है. okay? Old है मतलब बूढ़ा है. right? So now let's see about the third word. Flower. Flower means फूल. आपको पता है. right? So pink flower. Pretty flower. Flower कैसा होता है? पिंक कलर का भी होता है. खूबसूरत होता है. प्रिटी मीन्स खूबसूरत होता है. लवली है ना. बिग फ्लावर कोई फ्लावर बड़ा होता है. येलो फ्लावर. अंडरस्टैंड. सो हियर वी कंप्लीटेड टॉपिक नंबर 2.4 स्टोरी टाइम. यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ. Understand, dear students? Till here you also complete your workbook with a good handwriting. Next session we will see another topic about describing word, which I explained now here, that I will explain you in next topic in detail. Okay dear students, till that take care and stay safe. Bye bye.